Hello friends, in today's session we are going to learn about force distribution. What is the concept behind it and how we can configure it in our Argus application. So let's get started. No organization would like to miss the reporting timeline or due date of the report to be transmitted to the agency. In order to avoid this scenario, Argus Safety provides the functionality to transmit the report on its own before the due date is reached. This functionality is called force reporting or distribution of reports. Now let us try to understand force reporting with the help of an example. If a death case is registered on 1st of Jan, then organization must report the case to the agency on or before 8th of Jan, considering it as a fatal or life-threatening case. We are considering 7-day as an example. So we have to configure the reporting rule from Argus console business configuration, and in the reporting rule we will check this particular checkbox which says force distribute, and we have to enter 1 days before the due date. So the timeline over here has been specified as 7 days. So what will happen if the case is registered on 1st of Jan? So the due date is 1 plus 7 day, it is 8th. So on 7th of Jan, force distribution report will transmit the report to the agency on its own. Now in order to complete the configuration, we will have to enter a predefined text under force distribution comment as shown on the screen. Now this particular option will be available under Argus console, system configuration, system management, reporting, expedited. Now we will get to know where this particular text is being used in the application. In this slide, I have shown that we will have to configure 2 more additional background Aegis services. First one is force reporting and the second one is scheduling check Aegis service. Now how to configure this Aegis service, I have already created a video. I will share the link in the description section below. You can view that video on how to configure Aegis service. And why do we need scheduling check Aegis service? Now for this also I have created a video, so I am going to share the link for that as well. So please do check that particular video to understand the functionality of scheduling check service. Apart from the 2 Aegis services, rest of the configuration will be as per the auto distribution of report. Now what is auto distribution of report? Again, I have already created a video for auto distribution of report. There are many configuration involved in this particular auto distribution of report video. So you should refer the link given in the description section below. Now let us create a case with the initial receive date as 1st Jan 2020 with the event as death. So the due date is 8th of Jan 2020. On 7th of Jan, application will assume that the case is missing the deadline and it will do the following. It will log the case if currently not logged by the user. If a user has case open, the system skips the case until the user releases the lock. Argus dynamically replaces the current case report details with the force distribution comments. So what it means is that when you log the case, you get a pop-up in which you enter a password and a justification with the comment. That same comment will be replaced with this particular comment, case got distributed forcefully, and you will be able to see the same under the routing comment, case logged, case got distributed forcefully. Once the case has been logged, Argus application will schedule the report. It will then generate the report, transmit the report to the agency, and it will finally unlock the case with the justification which we have already predefined as shown in the previous screen. Case unlocked, case got distributed forcefully. This is the same comment which we have configured in our previous screen. And then finally, Argus application will enter a note which says force distribute under the report section of the regulatory reports tab. Also, the system will add a case comment to the following reports. It is going to enter the same comment which we have predefined under SIAMS 1, SIAMS 1 local, Spanish spontaneous and clinical forms report. Now, during the time the case is logged and the reports are being generated, the system does not allow the user to edit the case. The system displays the following message: the case is in use by so and so user, where user is the name of the AG service user executing the report schedule. So just to summarize, force reporting is a concept by which, if configured properly, we can avoid missing the reporting timeline. Thank you for watching. Please do take good care of yourself and your family.